কোথায় যাচ্ছি আমরা? কালার করতে যাচ্ছি। আতুমের ওয়ার্কশপে যাচ্ছি আমরা। কিসে করে যাচ্ছি আমরা? গাড়ি করে যাচ্ছি, কারে করে যাচ্ছি। রাইট, চলো টাটা করে দাও।
Do you like painting?
ভালোবাসো কালার করতে?
Yeah.
Every day whenever we take her to some to study ABCD or something, she likes scribbling and coloring first, and then she goes to study.
Yes.
I'm not sure whether she will be doing it in the regular basis or not later in the later part of her life. But now she is keen to this activity,
Yeah.
coloring and all. Yeah, but this is not happy birthday, Baba.
But it's almost your birthday. You'll be 5 years old. She will be 5.
Yeah, she will be fine. From turning from 4 to 5. Wow, you're looking cute.
Wow. A nice elephant.
I'll take one too. Okay. Okay. Smile, guys. 1, 2, 3, and then wave. Hi.